Hi, welcome to Spike Business. Today we will explore the payment dashboard. First, we will check the payables as we purchased from demo supplier and the balance is shown on payables report. Now, click on Cash Supplier to record cash payment transaction. Here, select Payment Date, Supplier Name, Account Name, then enter narration and payment value. And then click on Create button to save the transaction. In this example, we will pay partly by cash and check to demo supplier. Now, click on Search button and the app will update the dashboard as per the date range. Now you can see that we have total payment and cash payment bars on the left side of the dashboard. On the right side, we have payments by stakeholders chart and then payment by supplier chart. Now, click again on Payables card and you can see that the accounts payable amount has been reduced. Now click on Bank Supplier button to record bank transaction. Here, you will select the payment date, supplier, bank account details, enter check no, check that, select account, enter narration, and payment value. Please note that we are paying check to supplier, so we will select our bank account details in recording bank transaction. We will again left some payment to check the balances. After recording the value, just click on Create button to complete the transaction. Now on Purchase dashboard, click again on Search button. Now we can see a new purple bar which represents the bank payments. And now we will again check the balances and we can see that after bank transaction, the new balance is now only 50,000. Now let's explore the bars of all the charts. First we have the total payments bar. By clicking on the bar, we got the total payment report with debit and credit transaction details. Next, we have a cash payment bar. When we click on cash payment bar, it will take us to the cash book of that particular date range and showing cash payments. Then we have a bank payments bar, which will take us to the bank statement of the same date range mentioned in the dashboard. Next, we will check the stakeholders chart type and click on suppliers bar. It will give us the report of all the payments made to all the suppliers in a given date range. Next, we have chart which shows both cash and bank payments by stakeholders. When you click on these bars, it will give separate cash and bank reports of that particular stakeholder. The next chart will give the payment details by bank in a dashboard date range. And next is the payments by supplier name chart. On the top right side of the dashboard, we have the search bar, where we can search the transactions by all the columns. For instance, we can search by cash or bank transactions or just enter the check number to check its details. Please note that the app will search all the columns, so there is no need to write particular keywords. Now we will record the cash and bank payments to the stakeholders other than suppliers. For that, Just click on Cash Payment button and record the salary of demo employee as cash payment. Here, you can select the payment date, employee name, account name, enter narration, and enter the payment value. And then click on Create button. Now, again click on Cash Payment button to record fuel expenses of the demo employee. Please note that all the supplier and other payments are within a same interface and the dashboard is giving a clear picture of stakeholder payments by date range. So it will be very easy for account managers to do analysis and track payments. Now on Payment Dashboard, click the Search button to update dashboard. The salary and fuel details are now added in bar charts, values and reports. Now you can see that a new bar of employees has been created in Stakeholders chart and both salary and fuel expense details have been added to the bar. In the bottom chart, you can see that a new bar have been created with the name of the employee and it's showing the transactions related to that employee in the given date range. Now click on Bank Payment button to record the transaction. Here you can mention whether it's an online transfer payment or check payments. Select date, stakeholder, bank details, account details, and other information on the form and click Create to save. In this example, we are paying by online transfer of office supplies expense. After recording the narration and payment value, click Create to save the transaction. Now click again on Search button and check the purple bars of bank payments values on the dashboard. You can see on Stakeholders Payment Report, it's divided into employee names, so you can see the total values per employee. Now we have a new bank payment bar on Payments by Bank chart. You can also search by account name on search bar like salary or fuel expenses or office supplies. And perform composite search like account name and date. Thanks for choosing Spike Business.